Hi guys, Chris Dubois here. I want to tell you a little bit about my course, Systematic Theology 1, that I teach. I use the book Renewal Theology, Systematic Theology from a Charismatic Perspective by J. Rodman Williams. This one is actually 3 volumes in one. So I will be doing 3 systematic theology classes. So I will be using each of his books for those 3 classes. So all you have to buy is a first volume for Systematic Theology 1, and of course the second for Systematic Theology 2, and the third for Systematic Theology 3 class. Or you can just buy this big thick book which has all 3 volumes in one. So I go through these books for the classes. So I encourage you to buy that book, and then of course buy this course. It's 10 classes, an hour and a half to 2 hours per class, and I go through systematic theology. Now don't let the charismatic perspective scare you. Charismatic just comes from the Greek word charis, and it just means grace gifts. So what does that mean, charismatic? It just means that we believe in all the spiritual gifts described in 1 Corinthians 12 through 14 and elsewhere throughout the New Testament. We believe that all those gifts are for today, even the miraculous gifts. That's all that it means technically to be a charismatic, and that's what he means by the term for this theology book. So some topics we cover here are the knowledge of God, the Trinity, his nature, his character. We talk about creation, the providence or sovereignty of God. We talk about miracles. We talk about angels, including both good and fallen angels. We talk about man. We talk about sin and the curse of sin and the effects of sin, and of course the gospel. So there's a lot covered in this class. I just go by J. Rodman Williams' book, and then I add, of course, my own notes, my own thoughts. I just talk about the highlights from the book, and I believe this is so foundational. We have to get theology right. Theology just simply means the study of God's Word. If we get our theology wrong, then it's going to lead into all sorts of error in our lives, because if we don't think rightly, we won't live rightly. So I encourage you guys to check out this course, get it, and I hope you are blessed and encouraged by it. God bless you.